everyone. My name is Huyền and I come from Foreign Trade University. Today, I'm here to present to you about new product Startup Corporation come to Vietnam. I thought only takes 6 minutes of your time and my presentation is conducted by Scott Model, the Trash Opportunities Release and Press. I'd like to answer any question at the end of my presentation. Let's start. Now, we are analyzing your trend. Firstly, it is largest coffee houses in the world. The companies operate around 20,000 coffee houses in 60 countries. The secondly, is occupies number one range in coffee house segment value. It is about $40 billion. It is really considerable figures. Thirdly, it has many experience. The company delivers its customers perfectly blended coffee, good music, friendly staff, and warm atmosphere, which results in incomparable customer service. Fourthly, the company's offer its employees industry range of benefits and offers rates higher than competitors. Finally, the profitability has been rising in the past few years and is now 14%. That's all of the trend. Now we are going to the release. Obviously, the profitability and coffee price are largely dependent on coffee bean price, which is not controlled by Starbucks. Furthermore, it provides rich coffee and good service, therefore the price is quite expensive. Additionally, the off-brand publicity receives negative publicity because of poor effort becoming a greener company. After analyzing the release, we are going to the opportunity. Firstly, the Starbucks does not roast coffee beans, but they buy them from various suppliers. Why? Vietnam grows a lot of coffee beans and the price is very cheap. The second opportunity is the population of Vietnam is very growing, so the revenue will be increased. Finally, actually, the Starbucks does not manage coffee house, but they also share some products such as wine, beer, and so on. The firm sues from such of Taylor Street and offer its coffee to buy in restaurants, supermarkets. That's all of opportunity. Finally, we are going to the press. First of all, the product profitability and coffee price are depend on coffee beans price and the dairy product price, which is cannot control or can hardly estimate. The secondly, the companies often involved in case illegally of trademark. The third best is when Starbucks come to Vietnam, it will be face a lot of local competitors such as Trung Nguyên, Villa Coffee, or the specialization coffee trades in the world, such as Highlands, Urban Coffees. Because of the political, economic, and conditions, weather, the Starbucks experience major supply disruption. That's all of my presentation. I think that writing is totally bad or good. However, when Starbucks comes to Vietnam, it will have many opportunities to increase profit. Uh, that's all my present. Thank you for your listening. And do you have any question?